guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. Recently I got a lot of things from Nykaa. If you guys are ordering anything, sanitize them really well and then start using them. The first thing that I got is this lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their matte attack transfer proof lipstick. This is in the shade Tan Halin. I hope you can see that. I will be posting a review on this lipstick pretty soon. So yeah, the next thing that I got are these pair of false lashes from Nykaa. They are called Just Enough Drama. So yeah, I got this one. They look pretty dramatic and I really like. And then I got this eyebrow pencil from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Arch Arrival Brow Definer pencil. I got it in the shade Jerry. So there was this offer going on Nykaa, wherein if you buy Sugar products worth ₹999, you'll get a mini liquid lipstick set free. So these are the 4 liquid lipsticks that I got. The shades that are there are Dawn Fawn, Suave Mauve, Preach Peach, and Tan Fan. So I got those 4 mini liquid lipsticks. I am not new to Sugar's Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. I have tried them before, but I am not a big fan of the formulation because it's very drying on the lips. And yeah, so yeah, I got that. And I also got these 2 liquid lipsticks from Maybelline Color Sensational liquid lipstick range. I got them in the shade Best Babe and Soft Wine. So yeah, I will be doing a review on these liquid lipsticks soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then I got a concealer from PAC. This is their Take Cover concealer. I got this in the shade Skinny Dip. So I'll quickly show you how it looks. So yeah, when you open it, you have this concealer. So yeah, I got that. And I got these 2 liquid lipsticks from Lakme. It's their Forever Matte Lip Color. I got it in the shades Nude Dream and Mauve Ecstasy. Again, I will be doing a review on these liquid lipsticks. So yeah, that's that. I also got this silicone brush cleaner from Nykaa. It's their Buff Master silicone brush cleaner. I've already used this. So this is how it looks. And I also got an eyelash curler from this brand called Panache. I don't know how you spell it. So that is how it looks. It's a very cute looking eyelash curler. So yeah, I got this. And I also got the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I've seen Jeffree Star say really good things about this mascara, so I thought I'll give it a go. I've already opened this up and I've used it once or twice. So yeah, I think I'll have to use this a lot more to just see if I like it. The next thing that I got is this toner. It's from Himalaya. Sorry, Himalaya? No. I got this from Biotique. It's Biotique's pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters. Again, I am not new to this product. I've used this before. It's a very decent toner. This is the only toner that I've been using lately. Next, I got this got a ring from the brand Voila. Again, I saw this on Myntra first, but I was anyway ordering from Nykaa, so I thought I might as well get it from Nykaa. So I got this really pretty looking oxidized ring. Wait, I'll just wear it and show it to you guys. So really pretty looking ring. I absolutely love this ring. Oh, and I also got this foundation from Maybelline Superstay. Again, I have used this foundation once or twice. I really have to wear it more just to see if I like it. I got this in the shade golden. So yeah, I got this. And lastly, I got something from the Nykaa Lux store. I got the Laneige lip slapping mask. This is in the berry variant and it has 8 gram of product. I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this lip slapping mask, so I thought I'll give it a go and see if I like it. That is it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys have any suggestions, like any celebrity inspired makeup look, or if you guys want me to do any review on a certain product or anything like that, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down. See you soon. Bye.